What is up, YouTube? It's your boy 321 JMP coming at you with reaction, you feel me? Young Dolph, Key Glock, case closed. Let's check it out. Okay, Young Dolph, Key Glock, we got that duo today, man. We got that connection that Young Dolph and Key Glock have. We're gonna see what that connection gives us today, man. We have a big history with this duo. Big hopes, big potential for this song. It has 369,000 views. Wow. Came out about 5 days ago. See what we get this duo, man. Let's check it out. Okay, obviously, case closed. We got that judge with the hammer.
It's kinda cold over here. Throw me that jacket.
Okay.
River sleeping on the floor. Now my jewelry box froze. Fuck a bowl, fuck a stove. Counted millions in a cold. Bad bitch, booty swole. Got a
Bad bitch, booty swole. I like the sound of that. I like the sounds of going from sleeping on the floor to sleeping on a bed. Big ups.
on bankroll, can't fold. That's a no. Headshot, case closed. Bust it down with the bros. Put that up, go get some more. Selling bags out the back door. Shh, keep that on the low.
Word. Okay. Got you, motherfucker. Okay. I'm really rocking with this song, man. Giving me a Gucci Mane and Christmas type vibe.
Bad bitch, booty swole. Got her on bankroll, can't fold. That's a no. Headshot, case closed. King shit.
Okay. Verse number 1.
I rock gold. Who is this? Come get your hoe. Up on my dick, this bitch annoying. It's MOB. I need my coins. 223 inside the forest. Fold a nigga like some laundry.
Fold a dude like some laundry. Bro, I hate folding laundry, man.
Money coming, money going. I get it in Monday to Monday with the car.
I get it in Monday for Monday. Yes, sir.
I'm a drummer. Spin the block and have you run. Up on the #1 stunner. Got good credit, use cash money dope. A shout out to God, even though I had slipped on the floor. My Rex very.
Damn. He says shout out to God, even though I have slipped on the floor.
Lord, sick of niggas, I got antidote. Yeah, you don't want antidote. It's glitz like I got plenty smoke. I smashed her on the first night. She like, boy, you won't forget her.
You already know. Shit, once it goes down, she gonna want more too, best believe.
No relations, I'm a player, I'm a gigolo. I'm sipping on some Barney and I'm rolling up some Piccolo.
Smoking on some Barney and I'm rolling up some Piccolo. The hell? Did you say drinking on Piccolo? What?
I'm sipping on some Barney.
Sipping on some Barney, then I'm rolling up some Piccolo. Had it mixed up.
And I'm rolling up some Piccolo. Little bit in 10 or 4 and I bet I can hit your hoe.
Okay.
I just bought a richer meal, I could've went and bought a ghost. Yeah.
There's a lot of options, bro, Dolph. Like, when you have the money you have a big catalog. You have a bigger catalog than a lot of people do in this day of time. Just in general, of time in general, you feel me? Like, a lot of people in their lives from hundreds of years ago, they couldn't have had that shit. So
I just spent a lot of money, about to make a lot of more. Yeah, I just woke up in a mansion, nigga. You know that I work for sleep.
That's how you're supposed to do it, bro. You're supposed to spend a lot of money and make more. That's how it's supposed to be. Make a whole lot more too, you know?
On the floor, now my jewelry box froze. Fuck a bowl, fuck a stove. Counted millions in a cold. Bad bitch, booty swole.
I'm always gonna get a thought of a big butt when I listen to this song.
Got her on bankroll, can't fold. That's a no. Headshot, case closed. Bust it down.
Okay, Key Glock, let's go.
With the bros, put that up, go get some more. Selling bags out the back door. Shh, keep that on the low. Bad bitch, booty swole. Got her on bankroll, can't fold. That's a no. Headshot, case closed.
Key Glock, let's go.
She took her a trip just to go see Dr. Miami. Whoa.
Okay.
He ran his Rex up and took him a trip out to Cali.
Damn. Okay. Keep on telling me the story.
I seen that new coupe said instantly, I gotta have him.
Word, I feel you, bro. The catalog that these guys have, it makes sense.
I asked where that pussy belonged to. She said, fuck him, I can have it, yo.
You're gonna get someone mad.
Bitch been talking for 20 minutes, talking about she the baddest. Okay. Bitch, I just got this new load and I need somewhere to stash it.
Honestly, though, most people would probably be mad at the shawty.
Real up. Talking all that boss bitch shit, ho, you just need a real nigga to smash it. Hold up. I just turned the bad bitch to a ratchet.
Damn.
I put VS stones in my glasses. Stuffed $250,000 in a mattress.
Are we even having Key Glock? Is this Key Glock or is this Dolph? Honestly, this sounds like Dolph. I don't know, but this song's going crazy.
It used to be who get the bomb off the fastest.
Right?
Now a nigga make millions off ad-libs. Yeah.
Damn.
My nigga and them, they pop 30s like Advil.
Damn. Shit.
Shout out to my nigga Slow, he mad real. Might drop a country album and buy a mansion in Nashville.
Damn. Okay. On my Tennessee native stand.
Yeah, you heard me, stupid ass nigga.
Sorry.
Nashville. Went from sleeping on the floor.
I did hear you, bro. I did.
Jury box froze, fuck a bowl, fuck a stove. Counted millions in a cold. Bad bitch, booted swole. Got her on.
So is Key Glock the first verse? I'm tripping, bro. I don't know.
Bankroll, can't fold, that's a no. Headshot, case closed. Bust it down with the bros. Put that up, go get some more. Selling bags out the back door. Shh, keep that on the low.
Hell yeah, bro. Gotta make that extra money when you can. Gotta put food on the table.
Bad bitch, booted swole. Got her on bankroll, can't fold, that's a no. Headshot, case closed.
Young Dolph, Key Glock, who might have not actually been on the song. Case closed. Let me know what you gotta be down below. On the road, 2K. Grind ain't stopping. Not today. I'm out.